Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of League of Legends failed to launch. So let's start. So for the first step, go to the Windows search bar and type in registry editor. Now once this opens, you want to go to the hashkey local machine. After that, select software. Now look for Microsoft, make sure to select it. Now look for Windows NT and select it. Select after that current version and then select image file execution operations. Now you will find this file only, so you need to right click in here, select new and then select dword 32-bit value and then make sure to copy exactly like this. Dev override enable with D capital, O capital and E capital. After that open it, make sure to set the value to 0 not 1 and then select OK. If you already have this file, no problem, just make sure to select it from 1 to 0 and that's it. Now you want to close everything and now you just need to restart your computer and that's it. After that you just need to launch League of Legends and the problem should be solved. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.